In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy baby registry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your registry set up and ready for friends and family to view and shop from, all in just a few minutes. Start by heading to the Etsy homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top navigation and find the section labeled Registry. Give that a click to open Etsy's Registry Hub. On this page, you'll see different registry options. Choose the baby registry and click Get Started under that option. This ensures you're in the right place with the features tailored for a baby registry. You'll be asked to set the date for your baby's arrival. If you know the date, pick it from the calendar. If you don't have an exact date yet, no problem. Select the option that says you don't have a date yet. This date helps Etsy organize recommendations and can be useful for your guests as they plan purchases and shipping timelines. When you're ready, click Next. Now you'll enter your name. Type it in exactly how you want it to appear on your registry so guests can easily confirm they're in the right place. Double-check spelling and capitalization for a clean, professional look. Then click Next again. Next up is visibility. You'll see choices that control who can find and view your registry. If you choose the option that allows anyone to find or view your registry, it can appear in searches, which is convenient if you expect guests to look it up. Alternatively, you can keep it more limited or visible only to you for now if you're still preparing. Select the visibility level that fits your comfort and timing. After you've made your choice, click Next. You'll then select the shipping address. Pick the address where you want gifts to be delivered. Make sure it's complete and current to avoid any delivery delays. This address helps Etsy calculate shipping for your guests, and the platform handles privacy, so the information is used only for shipping purposes. Once you've confirmed the correct address, click Done. That's it. Your Etsy baby registry is created. At this point, Etsy takes you to your registry space where you can review your details and see the foundation of your registry. As you explore Etsy, you'll notice options that make it simple to curate items that match your style, from handmade essentials to personalized keepsakes. You can also revisit your registry settings anytime to adjust the due date, update your name display, change visibility as you get closer to your date, or confirm your shipping address if anything changes. Thanks for following along, and enjoy building a registry that's uniquely yours.